everyone find 1-3 distance and midpoints? Okay, so this is the lesson today. As I mentioned, we covered distance formula on Friday. This does need to be memorized in your head, so as you do the problems, just remember that you do have to remember the setup. I also taught you the Pythagorean theorem way because in some problems or some problem types, it's actually easier just to use Pythagorean theorem. Right here you have the setup for your points. So if you had coordinates like 2, 3, and maybe 5, 7, this is how you would label it: x1, y1, and x2, y2. Then this midpoint formula right here, we're going to practice using that. You should have seen it in algebra, but we're going to go over it from the very beginning. And then last but not least, we have a new vocabulary word: segment bisector. Segment, as you know, looks like this. A line segment has 2 endpoints. The word bisector comes up a lot, and it means to cut something exactly in half. So when you cut something exactly in half, the 2 sides are the same. So let's see, I don't have a lot of room. So we're gonna use this line segment right here to bisect this one. So this line right here is actually the segment bisector. And it could be a line segment, it could be a line, but if it cuts this line segment exactly in half, it's a segment bisector. So to put that in words, cuts a segment in half. And when it cuts a segment in half, that means that this side of the segment is exactly the same length as this side. This here is the midpoint. So if they gave you equations to represent the lengths, the equation for this part would equal the equation for this part, and you could use that to solve for x if needed. Pretty simple. That's it for notes, guys.